It's a great pleasure for me to express my best wishes on my own behalf as well as on behalf of the Embassy of Pakistan in Stockholm and the government of Pakistan to the people and the government of the Kingdom of Sweden on the National Day of the Kingdom of Sweden. This is a day when we celebrate the Swedish national flag, and this Swedish national flag has become a symbol of peaceful coexistence, peace and conflict reduction throughout the world. These are values which we also share in Pakistan. We believe in peaceful coexistence and mutually beneficial collaborations with all the countries of the world. We believe in developing our economy on the basis of sustainable technologies and greening our economy. We believe in international cooperation and human rights. We believe in democratic traditions, and these common values and these common desires bring Pakistan and Sweden together, and these are the foundation of our long-standing friendship. Already we have more than 35 Swedish companies who have their offices in Pakistan, and there are many more who are doing businesses with Pakistani partners. We have more than 22,000 people of Pakistani origin living in Sweden, most of whom have studied in Swedish universities and are contributing positively to the Swedish economy and society. We believe that there is a great room for collaboration in the fields of innovation, where Sweden is a world leader in the field of sustainable development, where the government of Pakistan is focused upon, and where again Sweden is a world leader and in cutting edge technologies and in technologies promoting sustainable development and protection of the environment. We also believe that there is a great room for further expansion of our relations between the higher education institutions of the two countries, where Sweden has led the world by showing how the technological companies, how businesses and the higher education institutions can work together and contribute towards the economy of the country. These are fields in which there has been a lot of cooperation between Pakistan and Sweden, and there is many more to come in the coming years. On this National Day, I would like to especially say in Urdu, aapko bahut bahut mubarak ho, and in Swedish, glad national dag. Thank you very much.